Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. No cooking today, I'm celebrating. Over the past few days there have been not one but two YouTube milestones to celebrate. The first one, this micro channel, the Barbecue Walk of Flame, now has more than 500 subscribers. YouTube tell me that's enough to fill a jumbo jet. For me, there is nothing better than combining my passion for cooking on the barbecue with my love of filmmaking, or video, call it what you like. But it is you, my subscribers and viewers, that make it all worthwhile. After each production, I look forward to receiving your comments. I now have many like-minded friends from all parts of the world. And it is to you I owe one great big thank you for your support. Please keep watching. Tell your friends, because I want this channel to carry on growing. And I almost forgot, my second channel, Willie Film It, has 1,000 subscribers. And that's enough to fill 3 jumbo jets. But which one will take off? So from this old geezer who ain't at the grill, thanks for subscribing, keep watching, and I'll see you soon.